Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Sports Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video of how to use filters within List Builder. You can also check out our articles in our Help Center for more information at help.agencyaccess.com. Now, once you log into your account, you're going to be brought to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can go to your list by clicking Go to List here, or you can also use the navigation bar on the left-hand side by clicking the Lists icon. Once you're in your list section, you're going to be able to see a list of all your saved lists previously built. In here, we're going to go ahead and select monthly newsletter for this video purposes, and we're going to go ahead and select edit. Okay, so now once we're in our list, you have the ability to go ahead and click filters. It is important to keep in mind when you're using filters within a list like this, you are only changing the way you're viewing your results. If you did want to change the overall results of the list, you would want to do that by clicking edit segment and adjusting your criteria here. So for using filters, you could do this for something like narrowing down to a specific role or title. You can also do keyword searches by company type, location, but more importantly, like I said, we can search by role. So for example, right now we're searching all segments. You can search individual segments, but for this right now, we'll select all. And we'll go ahead and say, for starters, let me just see the R producers that we have on our list. So if I wanted just R producers, I could go ahead, check off that box, and now I can select all the R producers that matched our criteria and came up. So now you can see we've selected 492 R producers at corporations and another 261 at agencies. Now, if you wanted to go through and see only photo editors, for example, you can now unselect R producers and go ahead and select photo editors. So now within photo editors, if we go ahead and we select all, we'll be able to see we selected another 355 contacts. So you can continue to do this with different titles through the different segments of your list, or like I said, you can search individually as well. So now when you filter down in just the corporation segment, you'll notice only the titles available in corporations will show. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. As mentioned earlier, should you have any further questions regarding this topic, please feel free to check out our Help Center at help.agencyaccess.com. Thank you.